We're going to talk about our skin, okay, before we leave you today. We've been talking so much about the weather. I know it can likely have an effect on our skin with the dry temperatures, but one of the most important ways to feel confident and comfortable in your own skin is to take care of it. And this month, we're celebrating skincare awareness with Dr. Melanie Kingsley. I just love when you come in. So many great pieces of information. Let's start about when we're talking about actually having a routine. It's important, but how do we know like what our routine should be? Because maybe it's not the same for everybody.
Exactly. Everyone's skin is different. So we have to find a routine that our skin's tolerating well, it's not getting irritated from, and you're actually seeing results from.
Yeah.
So you have to be patient specific is the way I go. Are you dry? Are you oily? Are you very sensitive? So you do definitely have to find a routine that fits you.
And I think one of the important things you brought up is being consistent, because we want kind of that instant gratification and we want it to change, and then you're changing and trying all these things and then you probably mess it up even worse.
Yeah, so if you do too much at once, it's just not going to do you good in the long run. So stop chasing it. Really stick with the routine for at least 2 to 3 months to see how your skin responds to it.
Is there another do or don't when it comes to actually trying to get that routine down? Maybe too, the difference between maybe a teenager trying to take care of their skin or an adult?
Yeah, so do's are definitely, obviously, find the product that works well for you. Have products that aren't going to clog the pores. So if we're talking about preteens and teens, we want to turn over those skin cells, keep those pores from being clogged, because that's what leads to the acne. So let's focus on that. Let's unclog the pores. And then toward adulthood, we're focused on that acne as well, but we also want to treat those environmental stresses, the aging, so then we're focused toward those.
Now, as we look at photos here and we talk about your products, are there certain specific ingredients that are in yours that are saying, okay, what I was just talking about, when it comes to maybe those fine lines or all that skin damage that I have, here is a chemical or a ingredient that you would like, not chemical, ingredient, versus maybe a teenager?
So yes, and that's kind of how I separated the products. I wanted kind of everything that I loved for adult acne and anti-aging in this one. So you have vitamin C, you have niacinamide, you have hyaluronic acid, you have glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, so many of my favorite ingredients
That's
all in
what's
one.
in that. That's for the adults and that. Okay,
So,
and when you go play this back from taping it, you'll ever hear those. When it comes to teenagers, what are the things we're looking for?
So we want to dry the oils out a little more. So this one has salicylic acid in it, but it also has the vitamin C, the niacinamide to help with the redness, inflammation, the glycolic acid, the gluconolactone, which is a newer known ingredient, but it kind of acts as a benzoyl peroxide, but doesn't have the harmful effects of the benzoyl peroxide.
Okay, again, these are her products. She sells them, but they are amazing. I've actually tried them. We have 30 seconds left, and we want to take this last 30 seconds to talk about how if we keep our stress in line a little bit better, we might not have as many breakouts and bad skin irritations as well.
So it's very true, especially with everyone getting back to school now. There's a lot of stresses going on, and stress definitely makes any skin disease worse. So yes, you'll have more clogged pores, you'll have more acne flares, so just stay on top of it and get ahead of it, knowing that you could break out. So start your routine, be consistent with it, and that will help prevent those flares during the times of stress.
Melanie Kingsley, dermatologist extraordinaire. Nice to see you again.
Nice to
If you'd
see
like to have more, you can look her up online too, and go see her, get her products, have better skin. Nice to have you today. Jim,
Thank you.
You've got great skin.
Oh, thank you, Ann.